how to use promo code on HelloFresh. Hello, everybody, welcome back. If you'd like to use promo code on HelloFresh, you may follow up the steps. So, head over and open up the application HelloFresh and log in into your account. And once you are logged in, you can basically explore through the products and reach out to the checkout page in order to use the promo code. For the lookout for the product, for example, I would like to have this specific meal. So I can basically add it to your cart or to your basket first. You may basically head over and look out for the products that you would like to add up to your routine. And once it is added, what you can do is basically head over and there will be a promo code section during the checkout or reactivation process for your HelloFresh. So just go ahead and find that option and simply enter your HelloFresh code there and click on apply. And that way the promo codes will be applied onto your HelloFresh uh, products. So therefore, if you'd also like to use promo code on HelloFresh, you may follow up these methods. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.